guys, so today I am back with another video, and before the video starts I want to tell you that I have got a new record on the 3x3 which is 13 seconds, which is extremely lucky for me. But today's main topic of the video is that I am going to unbox Qiyi MS 2x2 magnetic. This is my old one and I have ordered a new one because it broke 3 days ago, so I have ordered a new one which is coming today. So now let's take it and unbox it. Yes, so let's unbox it. I also want to unbox this cube as soon as possible, but before that you need to sanitize it. So let's meet after sanitizing. So now it's sanitized properly. So now let's open it. Packing of cube Lelo is very nice and tight. I thought that I cut in through the cube. Okay, so let's meet after opening. So now it's open. So first of all, let's see what's inside this. Oh, it gives this kind of packet also now while giving stands. Oh my god, a black colored stand. I am extremely happy with this. Let's keep it. Wow, I am a speed cuber. Cube Lelo. It is saying watch tutorial here. If you want to scan this, you can. It was inside this, and I am extremely happy with this packing this time. So now let's keep the stand at a side and open the cube now. Okay. So here is a Qiyi MS 2x2 and a card from Cube Lelo in which it is written use lubricants only. It will enhance the performance and also prevent excessive wear. Don't use oil or other lubricants. You should tell first. I use oil. Store your puzzle safely. Use pouches. I wanted that it should be a free pouch, but again a free stand only. Okay, so let's bring my old 2x2 now. Okay, so let's place them like this. No, like this. Yes, they are looking pretty good. The old one. Now let's open the new one. First there is a plastic wrapping on here. Let's just open this plastic wrap. That's why it's so shiny here. Today its smell is very bad. I don't know why. Okay, so in the supermassive unboxing it was pretty hard to open with hands. Here is a clip of that. Just packed very nicely. It is very tight, so let's keep it at our side. Now you know that how hard the packing is of this, so let's open with this knife only. Okay. Oh, I can feel the lube. Is it PVC coated? No, it's not. Okay, so the rest of it is also very tight. Okay, so let's open it. And finally, I opened it. Let's try a few turns. J-pump. It was pretty quiet. This one is pretty quiet. Oh, it turns badly. So let's do speed test of this broken one and the other one and this new one. We will do my best scramble, and if you watch my videos regularly, you will be knowing the scramble. Let's bring the timer and remove this waste. Okay, so let's do those scrambles on both. This is turning very badly because I tried to fix it with Fevicol and it spreaded all over it. Okay, so first on the old. Not bad. Okay, now on this one. Oh, even half than my short video in which I solved it in 2.4 seconds. Okay, so its speed is pretty nice and it is lubed as well. Its tensioning is also good. I wish that there could be like RS3M 2020 because it's too loose and I want to tighten it, but the screws. Okay, just let's do a random scramble and solve it. Okay, 3 and go. Okay, a normal solve. It's my average time on 2x2. I thought that I will purchase it later, but Cubelelo 17.0 is coming, and in that there are competitions of 2x2 to 7x7 all. So I wanted it for the competition. Its surface is very shiny. Let's try to scratch it and see if it is PVC coated. Okay, so I wasn't able to find the scratcher, not even keys, so it's a pair of tweezers. Let's scratch it with this. Let me see. No, there's no difference. If you see it from very, very, very near, then you will be able to see. But of course not in the camera. Wow, my 4x4 best. Just joking. Okay, so let's see how does it look. Oh my god. Look, it's beauty. Oh, really? It's really nice. Let's see if the corners twist. Yes, they do. Let's see my stand collection now. Okay, so let's keep timer at a side. First, I used to keep the Cubelelo ones on top and Moyu ones at the bottom, but my friend came and he messed it up. Okay, so let's see now. Moyu. I have arranged them now. So this is the YJ stand which you can make yourself. And 4 Moyu stands which were from 4x4, 5x5 and 2 3x3s, as I am having 2 RS3M 2020s and because my old one broke, and this is a new one. Is it really big? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So fun fact, I kept them randomly, but in the front at none it was written cube lelo. In 2 it was written happy cubing, and in rest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 it was happy cubing and the rest 4 were speed cuber. So thanks Cube Lelo for sending me this all, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stands in total. 6 from Cube Lelo and 4 from Moyu and 1 from YJ. Please give ready-made stands. Okay, so bye bye and meet you all next time with another video.